Okay. So after 20 minutes, bam! Look at this. And now you put fresh water inside here. Let's say piece of tissue, napkin, whatever you want to call it. Now, things ready. Yeah, pretty instant. Now, you wanna carefully put it out. Get rid of your tissue or napkin, whatever you call it, and bam! That's what you got. And bam is ready. Woo! It's 1:48, pretty late. Woo! Get rid of that right. And now your recipe done. This is your Chinese red, whatever, red rice cake. Oh wait, besides, look what I've done. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Search on my party, please. Tell family friends that help. And I would say click Chunwei Wu. Click Chunwei Wu because when we search on the party, the Chunwei Wu is always the username. Like why I didn't think of that earlier? Like random Chunwei Wu. Like what? No way, bro. Beep. And then that just kind of like mess up. Anyway, it's ready to be served. Okay, so let me make the conclusion speech. So that's basically this the Chinese red I don't know, rice cake? Yeah, Chinese red rice cake. If you want to call that the cooking recipe. If you guys want to know more, just be sure to click that subscribe button so you can catch my next video and comments below about my next thing. And if you enjoy my English card record or method, whatever you want to call it, the convention, be sure to leave a like next time.